So I'm so excited, you guys. I finally got my sea moss. I heard a lot of great benefits regarding this. I'm going to soak it tonight, and tomorrow I'm going to blend it, and I'm going to start putting it into my morning shakes. I was told it got a lot of great benefits for high blood pressure, losing weight, maintaining your weight. Just a lot of great things about this. This sea moss came from Grenada. And yeah, I'm excited. I wanted to try this for a long time, and I finally got it. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm going to soak the sea moss for 24 hours. I'm going to put some lemon. And tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon, I'm going to blend it. First, I'm going to discharge this water. Then I'm going to blend it with some new water, and I'm going to show you how it looks tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So I wanted to show you how the sea moss look. It was soaked overnight. It was real dirty, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is get rid of this water. See, look at all this dirt. I'm going to rinse it off, put some fresh water in here, and soak it for another few hours, and then I'm going to blend it. Look how nice and clear it got when I rinsed it out. It's pretty. Look at this. So yeah, I'm going to soak it for a few hours before I blend it. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back at it. So I'm going to drain the sea moss again. See how clear it got? And I'm going to give it a quick rinse. A nice wash. And it got this gel-like consistency. Okay, so now you're going to add some water. You could boil some water and put some fresh brown water in there. Just a little bit. Not that much. You're going to blend it. So this is how it's looking. Some people like it thicker, but I don't know. This is my first time having it, so I think this should be good. Yeah. Okay, so I heard you got to put it in a glass jar. So I got my glass jar here, and you can refrigerate it up to 1 week. So what I'm going to do every morning, I'm going to put in my shakes, or I'm just going to take a tablespoon straight to the head on an empty stomach. And this is my sea moss.